Now guys, I have my 10 centimeters of height for the mitten, and now I'm going to start increasing for the thumb. And this is how it happens. I'm going to look for the first stitch. This is the first stitch, and with this first stitch I'm going to mark it, and then I'll be increasing stitches on either side. I'm using this thread, this yarn, to mark this first stitch on the row. That is not so. And have to control again if it is the first stitch. Yes, it is the first stitch here. So on either of this side I'm going to be making the increases to make space for the thumb, and the increases will just be a yarn over every other row. So one yarn over, and then I make the first stitch, and then another yarn over. So I go around, and this will be 5 times. So in total I'll have 11 stitches for the thumb. And I'll go around and come back. This is a bit too close. It's too long. In this mitten you can decrease or increase the stitches according to the size of your hand. At the beginning I made 39 stitches. If your hand is too small if 39 is too big a mitten, then you can reduce by 3 stitches, or by 6 stitches if you need a much smaller mitten, and increase by another 3 if you need a larger size. You only increase by every other row. So when I come back to the increases, I will increase the yarn overs so that they don't leave a hole behind. I'll take the shorter side of the increase. See, this is this, and I'll take this side. Go around. Come back to make an increase again. Still too close. This is the increased stitch, and then next to the marked stitch I'll make the increase again. Both sides, and when I come back I'll knit it so that it's twisted so that I don't have a hole in that place with the yarn over. Now here I have my yarn over the increase, and I'll knit it so that it is twisted to avoid a hole. The next one. So that is how you increase for the thumb. It's called a gusset, the thumb gusset. So I'll go ahead. I've got 6 more rounds to go, increasing 6 more stitches. And then I'll come back and continue. In the meantime, please subscribe, like, comment, share. So that the channel can grow and I can also make more content, because when more people are watching, that's how the channel can grow. That's how the channel grows. I saw on my channel over 90% of the people watching have actually not subscribed. So please subscribe. More than 90% people are watching without subscribing, so please subscribe so that the channel can grow, and also I can know that people appreciate the content I'm airing. So here I'm going to do the increase. That's the yarn over. Next on the other side, and knit in around. So now you'll do the thread higher so that I don't mistake the stitch. So I'll go ahead and knit the last rows and then come back to continue with the thumb gusset.